Welcome back! It's time for another Yiddish lesson. In the past, I've made a video, Top 10 Untranslatable Yiddish Words, and today that list is about to become longer because I have another 10 untranslatable Yiddish words to share with you. Here we go! מאגנפreyed, מאgенfreyed. Stomach joy. This is the opposite of the English word hangry, the gust of joy you feel from having a full stomach after being irritable from hunger. Upppitzen, upppitzen. To make yourself vanish from someplace. It's when you sneak out of someplace swiftly and efficiently without causing a scene, as you're generally still supposed to be there, but prefer not. I guess you could say a quick, quiet exit. Let's face it, introverts, this word was made for us. See farshafen. See farshafen. To make something appear for yourself by some non-specified means. Go farshaf it can mean go get it from the other room, go make once you have it, go buy one, go borrow once you have it, or snatch it out of thin air. Basically, you didn't have it before, but you do now somehow. You farshaft it. Spoilan. Spoilan. To accomplish turning the tide in the direction you would like. For example, convincing a parent to drive you late to school one day, praying to God and receiving what you've prayed for, or as a child, begging your parent for one more piece of candy and they reluctantly agree. You have ausgepoilt in all these scenarios what you've wanted. It's not that you've earned what you've received, or that you had to cry and beg for it either. Just enough hit the right button to have it given to you.
Take us to Mount Splashmore?
No.
Will you 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 take us to Mount
No.
Splashmore? Will you take us to
No.
Mount Splashmore?
If I take you, will you two shut up and quit bugging me?
Yeah, of course. Well, will you take us to Mount Splashmore?
Yes!
Kimpaturen. Kimpaturen. A woman who has just given birth. Abi. Abi. The simplest way of putting it is just because, but it goes deeper than that. It could be used in a sentence as, the reason you did this is because you did this, just so that it's done, not that it made any difference by being done, or that it's anything accomplished by it being done. It is abi done, just so that it's done. Abi, we have a word for this. Chitzpeniak. Chitzpeniak. Someone who is consistently brazen, disrespectful, outspoken, and rude. This is most often applied to children who will continuously talk back to their elders. Schlemazel. Schlemazel. A chronically unlucky person. Aufgeklärt. Aufgeklärt. This describes a person, usually a young person, who has knowledge of a topic that is perhaps unexpected of them at their age or at their stage in life. It can be used as a verb as well. When a person aufklärt another person, they are telling them information that is generally taboo or perhaps not meant for them to know. Although this is not gossip because it's not information about other people, just a wide topic that everyone knows about but is kept generally hidden. Opschipperen. Opschipperen. To speak in an extremely hurried and unclear manner, to get through what you're saying as fast as you can just to get it over with. It's often applied to prayer, like scrambling through your prayers because you know you have to say them, but you just want to get it out of the way already. And there you have it. What word do you think should be integrated into your language? Leave it in the comments below. And Yiddish speakers, which word do you use the most often? I'd love to hear your feedback. Tak für die Tag, lehitraot, tschüss, and auf Wiedersehen!
Alles gibt, alles gibt.